Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the apps section, special app access, install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick for example Firefox and tap allow from this source. And now we can install unknown apps through the Firefox as much as we want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.